What's up, guys? Thanks for visiting Florida Outdoor Adventures. I really appreciate that. Today I have a super special video. We're gonna unveil a brand new motorcycle, and it is none other than the man from Japan, the lead engineer of Yamaha, assistant engineer of BMW KTM, the man with the best coffee ever, Massimo. Let's go ahead and meet him over at Cafe 27. Let's go take a look at his new motorcycle. I'll show you what it is over there, and I hope you like it. Okay, here we are, Cafe 27. I actually wanted to be early today. I wanted to be here before Massimo and the guys so I could catch him coming in. And I think I did it. Yes. Take a look at Massimo's new ride.
Okay.
Or are you hungry? You want to eat first?
No, I'm just getting a coffee.
Everybody thought it was a BMW, huh? In the chat? Or you didn't?
No. I thought
What's up, brother?
My first thought was him, and if not, it was you with the XRS 900.
Yeah.
But then I was like, no.
We got a few people.
Slap him at home if he buys that thing.
Yeah, Gary and Alex thought I bought it, I think.
You think?
So what do you think about the new bike?
The bike have only 9 miles.
9, let's go check it out.
9 miles. It's 20 minutes, the first 20 minutes in the bike. No, ayer. Tiene 9 millas. No, viene con todo con eso. Lo único que puse esta mañana fue esto y esto. Que son 5 tornillos eso y eso la suspensión electrónica.
Sí.
Y el grips. Le quité la goma. Eso le quita.
Massimo, can I ask you a question?
Yes, go ahead.
It's okay if we name it Lady Fire, no?
No, I wanna hot chili.
Hot chili?
Hot chili.
Okay.
No Lady Fire.
Not Lady Fire?
It's a beach name.
Okay, Massimo, we can't let you keep riding without the Florida Outdoor Adventure sticker, okay?
Yeah.
Let's go ahead and put it on right now. Yeah.
Go ahead. Eso, un poquito de sol ahí. Aquí arriba, bro. Por muchos años. Coño, a menos que Dios no quiera.
Yeah.
Pase algo.
Oh, came out pretty good, bro.
Yeah. It came out perfect. It's been lined up with it.
Yeah.
Negro con negro. Beautiful.
Oh, man, look at that, bro.
Beautiful.
Knowing me, I would want one on the
From
other
factory,
side
man.
too.
Thank you, buddy.
Oh, thank you.
Okay, there it is. In the flesh. Okay, change of plans. We're gonna head over to Miga's and have breakfast over there. We're gonna meet some of the other guys over there. Let me show you my buddy's bikes. We're gonna go in through the back door because we're VIP. Team Yamaha, baby.
Coño, mira Scotty, con que llegó. Tremendo motor. No joda. Llegó con Batman.
Sí. Back
¿Quieres unos pequeños?
No, no, no.
Yo lo voy a pedir.
No,
Lo
no,
pido
no.
uno.
Quiero que pequeño. Del queso estuvo.
Claro que el venezolano.
Bro, esto es mucha comida, man.
Dale, brother.
Ok, dale.
Yeah, because he's taller, so he's gonna need to bring that up. Oh shoot, you got his cut in a Yamaha, man.
Yes, this is so important.
My next bike, baby.
Yeah, one day, man.
Like
One
a
day.
like a
If
boss.
you're lucky,
I'm
one day.
working towards it.
You like it?
Great.
Oh yeah. Hay que estar en la vipa, pa' estar invito. Caminar la pista, pa' ser distinto. Estamos cerrando por capacidad.
Wheel goes through the whole handle. And here's the knife. I think I have to sharpen it some more. It's not bad. Beautiful knife, huh? All right.